Good hotel stay all round good hotel and amenities, thumbs up. Awesome stay. This hotel is home away from warm. Clean and comfortable bed and linen. Love the bathroom, especially the shower. Room. We had a room with kitchenette. More like a one-bedroom unit. Very spacious and kitchen well equipped. Good. Exceptional. Great location, close to everything you need in town. Very clean, great staff, bed so comfy, great location. Exceptional and oldie but beautiful and clean, with great pub meals and pleasant staff. Exceptional. We were a party of 4 adults and we were very impressed with the accommodation and its location. Everything was at our fingertips. Perfect accommodation from the first day we arrived, my 3 kids and Mrs. loving it. Good place to stay. Perfect, cozy, close to all. Great location, restaurant on site, rooms are very good size for families, walking distance to Margaret River Town Center and a short drive to Surfers Point restaurants. Great weekend stay. Beyond expectation. It was spacious and clean. Location was good. Definitely recommend this place. Nice place with clean room and friendly bartenders. Had a nice stay there. Emma, the bartender, was very friendly and helpful. Exceptional. Good value, clean room we chose with large spa, adequate kitchenette, 15-minute walk to town center. Christmas 2021 at the river. We stayed for 3 nights over Christmas in a service department, and found this hotel clean, comfortable and quiet. The hotel itself is available for great casual dinners and a cold drink. The grounds are well kept, and there's plenty of open space. Just a short walk to the main street. Good. Our stays are not bad, just noisy at night because we're on the top of the bar. Margaret River stay. Good place for a short stay while exploring the region's attractions, including the wineries, of course. A short walk from town, quiet location with great bar and restaurant facilities. Rooms very comfortable and clean. Very good, clean, friendly staff and good value for money.